adheres to the principle and dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just, humane society. Vision, a dynamic, diverse, internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, regionally diverse university in southern Philippines. Mission, Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges its to deliver effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It's committed to provide advanced, professional, technical, and technopreneurial training with aim of highly producing, competent, innovative, and self-renewed individuals. GRIPS, Globally Competitive Education Institution. Resilience of internal and external risk and hazard. Innovative processes and solution in research translated of extension engagement, partnership and collaboration with private enterprise, other HEIs, government agencies, and alumni, sound financial management and participatory governance.